In the previous class, we saw what is the meaning of the word rational numbers. So, what is rational numbers? The word rational arises from the term ratio. It is the ratio of two integers. As I said, p and q, where q should not be equal to 0 and it is written in the form of p by q. Fine. Today we are going to see the standard form of a rational number. Two conditions should be satisfied. So, a rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is a positive integer. Second, the numerator and denominator have no common divisor other than 1. It means what? For example, they have given 15 by minus 45. It means what they said, it should not have any common divisor other than 1. It means you have to reduce it to its lowest form. So let's see how. See the first question, express the following rational numbers in standard form. The first condition says what? That no negative sign should be in the denominator. So first shift the negative sign in the numerator. So this is the first step. Now second step, what they said, you have to reduce it by same table. I hope this will go by same table. So your final answer is what? Minus 3 by 9. Now again minus 3 by 9. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Your answer is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 is a rational number which is in standard form. And it is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Let's switch to the second sum. 14 by minus 21. So you have to reduce it into its standard form. So first and foremost, I'll shift this negative sign in the numerator. So do not touch the fraction. Do not touch 14 and 21. Let 14 be in the numerator and let 21 be in the denominator. Only you have to shift the sign. Okay. Now this again can be reduced by same table. So 7 2s are 7 3s are. So the answer is in standard form. Let's switch to the next question. It is minus 20 by 25. When you see this, what can I do? I can reduce it by which table? 5 table. 5 4s are, 5 5s are. So I'll give you fourth question and fifth question. Try to solve on your own and please let me know the correct answer in the comment box. So the next one is 45 by minus 9. What is the answer? And the last question is minus 68 by minus 119.